Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class about when and where questions.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the basic rules. Examples. We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct question words. Nexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory.
Great. I will listen carefully.
2 question words. When asks about time, and where asks about place. Example. When is lunch? Example. Where is the park? Put when or where at the start of the question. Example. When is school? Example. Where is the school? Questions with be. With the verb be, use this order: when or where, be, subject. Example. When is the party? Example. Where are my keys? Example. Where is the cat? Use am with I, is with one person or thing, and are with you, we, they, or many things. Example. Where am I? Example. When is the game? Example. Where are the shoes? Questions with do and does. With action verbs, use this order: when or where, do or does, subject, verb. Example. When do you study? Example. Where do they play? Example. When does he work? Use does with he, she, or it, and keep the main verbs simple. Example. Where does she live? Example. When does the shop open? Simple answers. Answer a when question with a time word or time phrase. Example. When is dinner? At 6. Example. When do you run? In the morning? Answer a where question with a place word or place phrase. Example. Where is the bag? On the chair. Example. Where do you eat? at home. Good work with the theory, and now examples will help us practice.
I like clear examples.
When is the bus? Where is the bus stop? When do you eat breakfast? Where do you buy bread? When does the train arrive? Where does the teacher sit? When are the classes? Where are the cups? When is your birthday? Where is your phone? When do the birds sing? Where do the children play? When does the movie start? Where does the dog sleep? When am I in class? Where am I on the map? Nice practice with examples. And now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the quiz.
Choose an option. When? When is the lesson? Choose an option. Where? Where is the library? Choose an option. When do? When do you swim? Choose an option. Where does? Where does she work? Choose an option. Where are? Where are the apples? Choose an option. When does? When does the shop close? Choose an option. Where do? Where do we meet? Choose an option. When is? When is the test? Choose an option. Where is? Where is the hospital? Choose an option. When do? When do they dance? Choose an option. Where does? Where does the bus go? Choose an option. When are? When are the games? Good job. You completed the class.
Thank you, Emma, and see you in the next lesson.